everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Piece of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be doing a landscape swipe this week. That was my pouring medium, and this is going to be my base coat for my sky section. I do put in some satin enamels. This is mixed with that pouring medium, that pure white Deco Art satin enamels that makes those beautiful clouds. I'm using the liquid Tri Art Payne's Gray, just mixed with that pouring medium again. Now this is the Tri Art Titanium White, the high viscosity, mixed with the Australian Floetrol. It's a really great cell activator. This is kind of lightening up that color of the Payne's Gray a little bit with the high viscosity Titanium White Tri Art. This is the color. The next color is the Payne's Gray mixed with the Sky Blue Light from Amsterdam. I just put in a little bit of that Payne's Gray to just kind of darken it a bit. Okay, and this next color is just the Sky Blue Light mixed with the pouring medium. And then this is Abalone from this little Piggy Pigments. A beautiful color shifting color. It like shifts from like a gold to blue, green, yellowish. It's really, really pretty, and you'll see in the end results how it just really shimmers, makes it really pretty. This is the Sapphire from this little pigment. I did mix these with a little bit of gel gloss medium and then thinned it down to get that thin consistency. Now I did prep the back of my canvas. I always tape up the back. I added my push pins, and then I added this horizon line, and I kind of taped it off that way so that it was easy to remove when wet. So I am going to let you guys watch the rest of this. I just laid down the white underneath. I'm going to do the sky, and then I'm going to pull the tape after about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to do the water. And then you'll see at the end, I did add in some sailboats. My husband and I live on Lake Michigan, just about a mile from Lake Michigan, and my husband loves a sail, and so it just seemed a little empty to me at the end, so I decided to add in a couple little sailboats there, and this one is going to stay with me at my husband's request. So I did want to share with you though how I did go about this. I'm going to let you watch the rest of it, put it to music. You'll have to let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I appreciate you all being here. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video, and I appreciate you all. I thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy this one. Incidentally, this is a technique that I learned from my good friend, Cathleen Osmore, over at Cause Creations. She teaches this in her classes. I actually got to take her class in Las Vegas last year, and I really enjoyed it, and I've always wanted to try this class, but I teach at the same time as her at the same event, so I never get to take it. So I was really excited that I got to take it, see her little tips and tricks, and if you want more of those, go check out her channel, Cause Creations. I will list it in the description box below. All right, guys, thanks, and I will see you later. Bye, y'all.